Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through a full website creation workflow using a powerful AI tool called Relume. The sponsor of today's video, Relume allows you to quickly generate sitemap, wireframes and even full design system by simply describing what kind of website you want to build. It is a game changer for designer agencies and startups who want to go from idea to prototype faster than ever. I will take you step by step through the process and then we will jump into Figma for a few custom refinement. Let's get started. Okay, so once the login process is complete and now we are inside Relume dashboard, and as we can see on the left side we have this panel, on the right side we have these two buttons. Okay, so first we need to click on the new project and Relume will take us to the sitemap section, and as we can see the sitemap tab is selected, and as we can see this is the sitemap panel and we need to enter the description. So I have already the prompt, so I will just simply copy and paste. We are going to create a professional website for a certified personal fitness coach who offer one-on-one online training, custom workout plan and nutrition coaching. Okay, so the site will call FitFlow and we are going to create a website based on this prompt, and we have already the description, each and every elements we need. So we are going to generate sitemap and Relume will handle all the other things. Okay, so this is the main description of our project and we need to select the number of pages. So from here we can simply select 1 to 5 is fine for now and select generate sitemap. Okay, so as we can see Relume analyze all our description and basis on that description Relume generate multiple pages for us, and I think this is looking pretty good. Okay, so this is important: custom workout plan, one-to-one online training and nutrition coaching. This is best, and I think services we need about and contact. Okay, so this is how Relume generate sitemap and we can simply organize the sections. So for example testimonials need to be below the how it works section, and also we can, like for example, select this and swap this section. So this is how we can organize all the pages, and I think for now this is looking pretty good and we are ready to move to wireframe section. So simply click on wireframe tab and as we can see Relume start generating wireframe for us on the basis of the sitemap. Okay, so this is pretty extensive wireframe and as we can see the magic is happening, and this is a pretty tedious task before, but Relume made it very easy for us to just one click, and as we can see we have this extensive wireframe in just a few minutes. Okay, so as we can see Relume is generating other pages, so let's quickly analyze our home page. Okay, so this is our home page. Now we can select each section, and like for example I like this section but I don't like the structure of this hero section, so let's shuffle component. Let's see if Relume can provide us some other suggestion for this section. This is pretty generic, so let's try another component. Okay, maybe I don't like this one, so let's see. I like this section. Okay, so let's leave it like this, and now let's work on this section. Okay, so I think we need to shuffle this component again. Okay, this is, and also generate copy. Okay, so I think this is now looking good, and this is the feature section, and we can, like for example, change the structure of this, like left alignment of the text. I think center is looking good, and let's try 4. 4 is crowded, so let's stick with the 3 section. Okay, and center line, let's try maybe. Okay, so now as we can see this is looking I think good because we don't need that much copy, and also we can generate icon because here are icons, so Relume will be generate icon based on the titles, and maybe let's try another attempt. Okay, and I think I like this one, pretty simple. And for this section let's stick with the images. Okay, let's leave it like this and let's try another testimonial. Okay, so I like this one, so let's stick with this one. Now let's try this section, leave it like this and select this section which is like start your journey and text maybe. Okay, let's try another section for this one. So I like this section more and the footer is fine. Okay, so this is how we can like organize our page, and I think everything is looking perfect. Let's quickly review other pages, and we can also organize our other pages, but let's stick with the home page for right now, and we are ready to move to style guide. So let's quickly click on style guide and Relume will start the magic. Okay, look at this, amazing. Like for example, Relume is doing all the things for us, and as we can see, this is looking great. And now we are ready to start and analyze our style guide and change all the colors and each and every elements. Okay, so let's start. First we need to select this brand, and as we can see, here is our logo. So I will upload both logos, light and dark mode. So this part is done. Now we need to select our colors. So click on shuffle and start selecting our colors. Okay, so I'm more towards like turquoise, sea green. Maybe we can change this manually. So let's somewhere here. Okay, and this bright color. So this will be first primary color, and maybe some reddish type. So this color. Okay, and we don't need other colors, so these two is fine. And we can also add more colors, for example something like this, and we can lock it. So for example, if I lock this color, and maybe this color, and let's shuffle, so this color will be only changing, which is not locked. Okay, so let's try. I think let's lock this color. So this is our color palette. Now let's click on neutrals. So for the neutral, as we can see, we have this pure neutrals, and which has no shades of color, just neutral colors, and we can also mix it with our color. So for example, if I like this kind of neutral, which is like a blue gray, and maybe let's stick with this pure neutral color. Okay, and as we can see, here is our neutral colors. And now we need to work on the typography. So for the typography, let's click on headings and click on display. I like display font, so let's stick with the display. Okay, so close this, and now let's quickly again click here, find recommendation. So now I have selected find recommendation. First we need to turn on only free fonts. Okay, so I'm more interested in free fonts, so select this and click on browse, click display, and here we are. I like this bowl by, so let's quickly preview this like this. Okay, so we have added this font to our list, and now simply select this, and as we can see, we have this font in our list, which is, let's quickly find out. Okay, so as we can see, we have like these two font, and these are the recommendations. So we will select our bowl by one, and as we can see, our title is now changed. This is looking pretty good. Okay, and the space grotesque is for the body fonts, and I really like this font, so let's stick with the space grotesque. And as we can see, we have these options: small, regular and large, and I like large. Okay, so large is fine, and also medium, bold and spacious and uppercase. So I like uppercase, so let's stick with the uppercase, and maybe let's stick with the large and bold. I think uppercase, so this is looking great. Okay, so next we need to work on the button. So first let's quickly click on this button, and the panel is open. I like this default look, and as we can see, we have multiple styles of buttons, but we will select this default, and I think let's stick with this full round. And for the card, we will be making it more round, so this round is fine, and flat is also fine. Okay, so I like flat. Maybe let's try with this outline. Okay, let's quickly preview this. So click on this expand preview, and as we can see, here is our landing page, which is looking great. And now as we can see, we have, let's quickly click on wireframe before moving to imagery, and as we can see, this is our wireframe. Let's select this section, and let's quickly expand this section. So let's again click on style guide, and as we can see, we have updated our structure, and now I like this layout. And now it's time to work on the imagery, so click on edit image. And by the way, I have downloaded these images from prefig.com, and you can also download, if you want, you can use prefig.com, and I select the photos and download the fitness photos from prefig.com. So as you can see, this is loading the images. Let's select this section. Okay, so now we are going to click on the expand preview, and here as you can see, once I hover on each section, so it will pop up and it will give me option to change by pressing command key. And as we can see, we can change and apply shades of the same color. So for now I think let's click, and as we can see we have these, and I like the dark one, so let's click. And also we can change the shade. So for example, this is the white shade and this is the dark, but I prefer the dark one, so let's use the dark. And for this section I think everything is looking perfect. And as we can see, if I click, so Relume will regenerate. And as we can see, I lost my image, so let's click again on the image. Okay, and let's exit the preview, click and re-upload. Now let's quickly preview the second section like this one. If I click, so we can change the color. I like this color instead of, so let's stick with this reddish color. And if I change the shades of the color, so I press command key, and as we can see here, it will to the darkest value. Okay, so let's stick with the light one. Okay, and for this section I think the dark is fine. And also let's try if we can change the shade something like this. So instead of pure black, let's make it this reddish. And for this section, press command key and let's try the light section. Again, click on this section, press and command key and select the light value, so dark and then light section. Okay, I like this way. And this is the hero image which is loaded. Everything is looking perfect. Okay, and let's quickly change the color of this section. So let's make it this color. Okay, so this is our brand color and we are going to use this color, and this dark is fine. And also we want to change this to, press command key and let's use the mid value, and this is looking perfect. And for the footer we can also make this dark. For this section, make it this color. Okay, this teal color. Let's make this bright color. Okay, and we are good to go. Okay, maybe let's try this yellow color. Everything is looking perfect and I really like this layout. Okay, so now as we can see, we have almost completed our design from our side and I think we are happy. If you are not sure, you can just simply click on each section. For example, if I click on this section, and Relume will suggest some shades of colors, so I think let's stick with the black dark version. Okay, and this one is also black. I'm happy with this style. So now let's quickly export it to Figma first. Okay, so before you are going to export to Webflow, React, HTML or any, I highly recommend to export it to Figma first and quickly review everything, and then come to again Relume and export it to like Webflow or any software you need. So I will stick with Figma. So Figma is selected and click export. So as we can see here, this pop-up shows that first you need to click Relume kit, so open in Figma. I will just click in my new browser tab Relume UI kit 3.1 and I will open in Figma. So Relume is loading their library, which is a pretty extensive library. As we can see, here is all the components and all the elements, pages, templates. It's loaded. Now it's time to select our sitemap, and as we can see, next thing we need to run the Relume plugin inside Figma. So I will press command and /, and as we can see, I have already installed. If you haven't installed, so let's type Relume and install this plugin. Okay, so I will run this plugin. Okay, so now we have our project list and this is the project I am creating. So select this one, and I have already selected the sitemap. So it is a good practice. I keep sitemap, wireframe and style guide in my Figma file. It is my personal preferences that I keep both sitemap and wireframes and also the style guide and the design concept in separate page. So first I will select the sitemap, select, and plugin is reloading sitemap from the Relume and it shows that you have saved that much of time. Okay, now let's select a wireframe page and click again, and this time I will keep all the wireframes. Now let's click on done and let's zoom out and let me show you all the pages, which is pretty good. As we can see, this is looking amazing. We have all the responsive for both desktop and mobile version, the wireframes. Okay, now select concept and again click concept or design. It's okay. So I will select concept and select this, and we have only created one concept, so just select it and continue. Inside Relume, once the one concept is finished, if you want to create second concept, third concept, so you can just quickly, I will show you right now. Let's finish this. So I will show you how to create, just duplicate or create a new concept. Okay, so now as we can see, we have loaded our design from Relume to Figma Relume plugin, and as we can see, we have both version, mobile and desktop, and everything is looking perfect. By the way, if you are new to auto layout or any Figma like beginners, so I highly recommend to study, and because these are highly professional auto layout, they convert it. And if you are really want to learn how the auto layout works, so this is the great place to study the Relume kits and their strategy of how auto layout works. So study their Figma files. Okay, and I think everything is looking perfect. So now I have already suggested we can like for example, if this is the concept one and we are going to create a new concept, so just click, and as we can see, this is concept 2. so the structure will be the same, but it will create a second concept. And as we can see, you can just click on surprise me, and let's see. Okay, so as we can see, with the new typography and with the new color palette, everything's looking different. We can change anytime if you want to change the structure, for example the wireframe. And if you want to change, for example, let's click on the sitemap hero section, and as we can see, this is the feature section. So we can change placement here. Inside wireframe will be update, and now we have this feature section, and this is the second section. And once I move again to style guide, so everything is syncing, and which is pretty cool. Okay, so now this is how we can create second concept, and we can also duplicate concept and delete concept. So let's delete this concept. I'm happy with the first concept. Okay, so now let's quickly check the light theme, and as we can see, this is the light theme and this is the dark theme. So we have worked on the dark theme, and Relume will automatically create the light theme, and which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it. That was Relume, and I highly recommend you to start using Relume from today, because this is a game changer tool, and it will take your web design business to the next level, and it will save hours of time, and you can focus on more projects. So see you in the next video.